Is Southwest Airlines crashing, or is this a buy opportunity? Because today, March 12th, the stock dropped 14%. And so in this video, we will show how we are trading Southwest Airlines based on the unusual options activity from today. Before we get into our current trade, we did want to mention our previous trade on Southwest Airlines actually happened at the same price level here as one of our member trades. You can see here this red trend line started on January 18 when we entered a bullish long trade, and then on February 20, where the trend line ends on this day, was when we updated our trade to take profits. And that is over here in our videos. This is our initial analysis that was done on January 18 for members only. And so we went long and bullish when Southwest Airlines was trading around this $29.75. And then on February 20, you can see Southwest Airlines is at $34.65, has gone up. February 20, we updated our trade for members only, specifically gold level members, because only gold levels have access to how we manage our trades. And so what we did was we took profits and readjusted our trade and turned it into a no loss trade by essentially taking the profits. It was about 130% profit, okay, on this trade. And we used some of these profits to get into the trade again, but at a lower cost, so that the trade ends up becoming a no-loss trade. What we mean by that is that we took the $190 of profit per trade on February 20 and spent about $70 to get into this updated trade. And since 190 minus 70 is still a profit of 120, you can see we basically locked in profits so that even if the stock crashes down, we would still have a profit of 120. And if it went up, it would have made even more profits. Okay, so that's what we mean by managing the risk on our trades after we had gained so much in relatively a quick span of time here. Okay, you can see the stock had only gone up about 16%, but we were able to make 130% profit because we use option strategies. Okay, so if you are interested in our membership trades, where we share trades of what the wealthy investors are doing, sometimes they are also insiders that have more information, then go to our website to learn more on how you can gain access to these trades that we share with our members only. Now, you can see that today Southwest Airlines dropped, so we did not lose anything. We still kept our $120 of profit on this trade. And so what we are doing, based on the new data now, okay, you can see here a couple of different trades happening on the option time and sales tape. And what was most significant was actually not showing up here, but our systems were able to pick it up. Okay, we can see over here for the April 19th, at the 30 strike calls, you can see here 13,000 contracts being traded. So quite a substantial amount of call options being traded at that strike price. So this is our current trade strategy for the April 19 options. We bought the 30 strike calls, and we sold the 32.5 strike calls. We're using one contract to make the calculations easier for demonstration purposes. And each trade here, we can see, costs $61 of debit, which is still less than the $120 of profit from our previous trade. So just using about half of our profits. So again, this is essentially a no loss or no risk trade to us because we are not risking additional money trading Southwest Airlines. And if the stock bounces up from here, we could make a lot more. You can see here from the diagram here, this box over here, when our mouse cursor hovers over, you can see the amount of profits. Okay, the purple shows the profit at the current date, but the blue line shows our max profit at expiration, April 20, when these April 19 options expire. So that's $189, as you can see on the box to the left. Okay, so $189 of profit, we can calculate the profit potential, the risk to reward here, divided by the initial cost of the 61 debit, cost of the trade. So risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3. So if we multiply by 100 to get a percentage, we could potentially make 309% on this trade. Now we could risk more to make even more, but the current data from the unusual option activity on Southwest Airlines is not as strong as other stocks we share to our members. So we prefer to put more money in our membership trades since there is a higher probability of profit. If you want to know which stocks these are, go to our website where we share our stock picks to diversify your portfolio and our trading strategies, such as the ones we've covered in this video, that reduces risk to essentially zero and at the same time increasing our profit potential by following the trades of wealthy investors, because as we all know, the rich are getting richer on Wall Street and we want a piece of that. Please smash the like button and have a great day.